A very good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine at your place. Welcome back to the online session of teaching. Today we are going to learn about sense organs. Before proceeding with the topic, I would like to ask you few questions. Children, tell me which part of the body helps you to watch your favorite cartoon show on the television? Yes, you are right. It's your eyes. Your eyes are at work from the moment you wake up till the night you go to sleep. Yes, we can see the whole world around us with the help of our eyes. Now tell me, children, when your mother prepares snacks in the kitchen, from outside only you can tell that your mother had prepared your favorite snacks. How can you tell that? It's by smelling with the help of your nose. Yes, our nose help us to smell. Yes or no? Yes. Now, children, tell me, how do you listen to your favorite songs? By using your ears. Can you tell me, children, how do you know that the lemon is sour and the mangoes are sweet? It's by tasting. Our tongue helps us to taste the food we eat. Now, my last question. How can you feel that the ice cubes are cold and the feathers are soft? It's by touching. The skin is the outer covering of our body and the skin helps us to feel and touch. So, we learned that the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and the skin help us to know the world around us. Hence, they are called sense organs. Yes, now come to the topic, our sense organs. So, let's once again repeat: eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue are our sense organs. Now, our eyes help us to see. As you can see in the picture, a boy is watching television and in the second picture, a boy is reading book. Both the activities are done with the help of our eyes. Our ears help us to hear and we hear different sounds with our ears. As you can see here in the picture, the boy is listening to music and the telephone bell rings. We can hear the telephone bell and the music with the help of our ears. Not only these two things, we can hear the sounds of the birds and animals, the chirping of the birds, the honking of cars, buses, etc. Now our next sense organ is nose. Our nose helps us to smell. We can smell flowers, soap, food and many more things. We also breathe through our nose. Our nose helps us to smell the beautiful flowers, the perfumes and the food. And we can also identify the bad smell. like stinking of the fish, the smell from the garbage, etc. All the smells we come to know only of our nose. Now, our next sense organ is tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste. Our tongue helps us to know whether a thing is sweet, sour, bitter, or salty. Yes, we can know the food items we eat are sweet, sour, bitter, or salty with the help of our tongue. You can see in the picture there are some food items like the mango, salt, chili, tamarind. Here the girl is tasting and she tastes different for all the different items. Cough syrups, medicines are bitter in taste. We can taste the sweetness in chocolates, cakes, pastries, etc. We can taste the sourness in lemon, orange and tamarind. So, we can taste different tastes with the help of our tongue. The next sense organ is skin. Our skin helps us to feel different things. It can feel whether the thing are hot or cold, smooth or rough. As you can see in the picture, a boy felt hot when he touched the vessel on stove. And in the second picture, a boy felt cold when he touched the ice bar. And in the third picture, a girl feels smooth when he touches the feather of the cat. And in the fourth picture, a boy felt hard and rough when he touched the wall. We can also feel the poking of sharp things like needle, injection, biting of insects, etc. So, all the activities I have told you now can be felt only through skin. So, what do you learn, children? We learned that our sense organ help us to know the world around us. I hope the topic is clear to all. Let us have a look on the important points of the chapter. Our body has many parts. As I already told you, that our body has many parts and we do many things with different parts of our body. We do many things with different parts of our body. Each body part has a special job to do. We use our hands to hold things, eat and write. Our legs help us to stand, walk, climb, run, jump, hop and dance. Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue are our sense organs. And the last point, our sense organ help us to know the world around us. So, we will have the exercise in the next class. Thank you.